You've been driving your Mazda for months, maybe even years. You think you know everything about it. But what if I told you there are hidden features sitting right under your nose that you've never used? Features that make driving easier, safer, and way more convenient. I'm talking about secret buttons, hidden menus, and smart tricks that Mazda doesn't advertise. And here's the crazy part. Nearly 8 out of 10 Mazda owners have no idea these features even exist. They're buried in settings, tucked away in the owner's manual, or just never explained at the dealership. But once you know about them, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Today, I'm revealing 12 hidden Mazda features that'll change the way you use your car. From safety tricks to convenience hacks, these are the features you'll actually use every single day. And the last one? It's a game changer that even most mechanics don't know about. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, your Mazda is going to feel like a completely different car. Let's jump in. Hidden feature number 1, one-touch turn signals. Ever needed to change lanes quickly, but ended up with your turn signal blinking forever? Most people don't know this, but Mazdas have a one-touch turn signal feature. Instead of pushing the turn signal stalk all the way down, just tap it lightly. The signal will blink 3 times, then automatically turn off. Perfect for quick lane changes on the highway. No more forgetting to turn off your signal and driving around like you're confused. It's a small thing, but once you start using it, you'll use it every single day. Most newer Mazdas have this feature standard, and some models even let you adjust how many times it blinks in the settings menu. You can change it from 3 blinks to 5 or 7 if you want. It's one of those features that makes driving feel smoother and smarter. Try it next time you're on the road. Just a light tap, and boom, done. Hidden feature number 2, automatic headlight delay. You pull into your driveway at night, turn off your Mazda, and suddenly everything goes dark. Annoying, right? Here's a feature most people miss: automatic headlight delay. When you turn off your car, the headlights can stay on for 30 seconds, lighting your path to your front door. Super handy if you park in a dark driveway or unlit street. Here's how to activate it. Turn your headlight switch to the auto position, not on. When you turn off the engine and remove the key, the headlights stay on automatically for about 30 seconds. Some Mazda models let you adjust this delay time in the vehicle settings menu. You can make it shorter or longer depending on your needs. It's a small safety feature that makes a big difference, especially for people who come home late at night. No more fumbling around in the dark trying to find your house keys. Hidden feature. Number 3, secret trunk release. Inside, picture this. You're locked out of your Mazda, but the trunk is unlocked. Or maybe you're in the trunk and you need to get out. Sounds weird, but it happens, especially with kids playing around. Here's something most people don't know. There's a hidden trunk release inside the trunk. Look for a small glow-in-the-dark handle, usually near the trunk latch or on the inside of the trunk lid. Pull it, and the trunk pops open from the inside. It's a safety feature required by law, but most people never notice it. Why does this matter? If you accidentally lock your keys in the trunk, you can crawl through the back seat, pop the rear seats down, reach into the trunk and pull that release handle. Boom, trunk opens and you can grab your keys. It saved me more than once, and it's way cheaper than calling a locksmith. Next time you're near your Mazda, pop the trunk and look for that handle. Know where it is. You never know when you'll need it. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice for my Mazda guys. Hidden feature. Number 4. Adjustable auto lock doors. Does your Mazda automatically lock the doors when you start driving? Most do, but here's what you might not know. You can change when and how the doors lock. Mazda gives you options. Lock when you shift out of park. Lock when you reach a certain speed, like 12 miles per hour. Or turn off auto lock completely. Here's how to adjust it. Sit in the driver's seat and close all the doors. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the unlock button on the driver's door for about 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep. That means you've entered programming mode. Now press the lock or unlock button to cycle through the different modes. When you hear the number of beeps that matches your preferred mode, you're done. Different Mazda models have slightly different procedures, so check your owner's manual for the exact steps. But once you set it up the way you like, your doors will lock exactly when you want them to. Some people love the security of immediate locking. Others find it annoying if they're just backing out of the driveway. Now you get to choose. Hidden feature number 5. Programmable power door locks. Here's another door lock trick most people miss. When you unlock your Mazda with the key fob, does it unlock just the driver's door or all the doors at once? You can change that. By default, most Mazdas unlock all doors with one press of the unlock button, but you can program it to unlock only the driver's door first. Why would you want that? Safety. If you're alone in a parking lot at night, you might not want all your doors unlocking at once. Just unlock the driver's door, get in, lock it behind you, and then unlock the other doors if needed. Here's how to change it. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Turn the ignition to on. Press and hold the unlock button on the driver's door panel for about 10 seconds. You'll hear a chime or see the lights flash, confirming the change. Now, when you press the unlock button on your key fob once, only the driver's door unlocks. Press it twice, and all doors unlock. It's a simple safety feature that gives you more control. Hidden feature number 6. Roll down windows with key fob. Hot summer day, and your Mazda's been sitting in the sun all day. You walk up, unlock it, and get hit with a blast of hot air. Here's a hidden trick. You can roll down all the windows before you even get in the car. On most Mazdas, hold down the unlock button on your key fob for about 3 seconds. All 4 windows roll down automatically. Let the hot air escape, then get in and crank the AC. Some Mazda models also let you close the windows the same way. Hold the lock button for 3 seconds, and all the windows roll up. Super handy if you forgot to close a window and you're already inside your house. Not every Mazda has this feature, especially older models. But if yours does, it's a total game changer in the summer. Try it next time. Walk up to your car, hold unlock, and watch the magic happen. Hidden feature number 7. Tilt side mirrors when reversing. Parallel parking. Backing into a tight spot? Here's a feature that makes it way easier. Auto-tilting side mirrors. When you shift into reverse, your side mirrors automatically tilt down so you can see the curb or parking lines. On most newer Mazdas, this feature is already built in, but it might not be activated. Here's how to turn it on. Make sure your mirror adjustment switch is in the L, left, or R, right position, not the center neutral position. Shift into reverse. The mirror on that side will tilt down automatically. When you shift out of reverse, the mirror returns to normal. Some models let you adjust how far the mirrors tilt through the infotainment settings menu. This feature is a lifesaver for tight parking. You can see exactly where your rear wheels are in relation to the curb. No more scraping your rims or misjudging the distance. Hidden feature number 8. Steering wheel position memory. If you share your Mazda with someone else, you know the struggle. Every time you get in, the steering wheel and seat are in the wrong position. You have to adjust everything before you can drive. Here's a hidden feature. Some Mazdas can remember your steering wheel and seat positions. If your Mazda has power adjustable seats and steering wheel, you can program memory settings. Here's how. Adjust your seat and steering wheel to your perfect position. Press and hold the set button, usually on the side of the seat. While holding set, press one of the numbered buttons, 1 or 2. You'll hear a beep confirming the setting is saved. Now, whenever you want your position back, just press that number button. The seat and steering wheel automatically adjust. If you have 2 drivers, program position 1 for one person and position 2 for the other. No more fighting over setting. Just press a button and you're good to go. Hidden feature number 9. Hidden umbrella holder. Rain catching you off guard? Some Mazdas have a hidden umbrella holder built into the driver's door panel. It's a small slot, usually near the bottom of the door, designed to hold a compact umbrella. Not every model has it, But if yours does, it's super convenient. No more wet umbrellas dripping all over your seats or rolling around on the floor. Just slide it into the holder, and it drains any water safely away from your interior. Pop open your driver's door and check the panel. You might have been driving past an umbrella holder this whole time without knowing it. Hidden feature. Number 10. Fuel door release reminder. Ever pull up to a gas station and forget which side your fuel door is on? You park, get out, and realize the pump is on the wrong side. Embarrassing, right? Here's a trick. Look at your fuel gauge on the dashboard. See that little gas pump icon? There's a small arrow next to it. That arrow points to the side where your fuel door is located. Arrow pointing right, fuel door is on the right side. Arrow pointing left, left side. It's one of those things that once you know it, you can't believe you never noticed before. No more awkward repositioning at the gas pump. Hidden feature number 11. Defrost. Both mirrors at once. Cold winter morning, and your side mirrors are covered in frost. Most people just turn on the rear defroster and forget about the mirrors. Here's what you might not know. When you press the rear defroster button, your side mirrors heat up too. That's right, your side mirrors have built-in defrosters that activate automatically with the rear window defroster. No need to scrape them manually or wait for them to clear. Just hit that rear defrost button, wait a few minutes, and both your rear window and side mirrors will be crystal clear. It's a feature that's always been there, working quietly in the background. Now you know. Hidden feature number 12. Emergency brake override. Here's the most important hidden feature, and it could save your life. Let's say you're driving and suddenly your accelerator gets stuck. Scary situation, right? Your Mazda has a hidden emergency brake override that most people don't know about. If your throttle is stuck wide open and you can't slow down, here's what you do. Firmly press and hold the brake pedal with both feet if needed. The brake override system automatically cuts power to the engine, even if the accelerator is still pressed. Your car will slow down safely. This feature is built into most modern Mazdas to prevent unintended acceleration accidents. It's designed so that the brakes always win over the accelerator. You'll probably never need this feature, but knowing it exists gives you peace of mind. If something ever goes wrong, your brakes will always be able to stop the car no matter what. Bonus tip: Master Warning Light Reset. Here's one more quick trick. Ever get a random warning light on your dashboard that you know is just a glitch? Sometimes you can reset it without going to the dealership. Here's how. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Press and hold the trip meter reset button on your instrument cluster. While holding it, turn the ignition to off, then back to on. Some warning lights will clear if they were just temporary glitches. This doesn't work for serious issues like check engine lights or low oil pressure, but for minor warnings, it's worth a try. If the light comes back on immediately, then yes, you need to get it checked properly. But sometimes it's just a sensor hiccup, and this reset takes care of it. Why these features matter? Look, Mazda packed these cars with smart features, but if you don't know they exist, you're not getting the full value of what you paid for. These aren't just gimmicks. They're practical features designed to make your life easier and your driving safer. The one-touch turn signal saves you from looking like you forgot your blinker was on. The auto-tilting mirrors help you park without scraping your wheel. The emergency brake override could literally save your life in a stuck throttle situation. Take some time this weekend to explore your Mazda. Sit in it, press some buttons, dig through the settings menu. You'll be amazed at what you find. And once you start using these features, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.